Students, today we are discuss standard deviation under continuous series with the help of step deviation method. So dear students, under these we will apply the step deviation method when the class interval is equal. Clear beta? See the formula of standard deviation. Light are is standard deviation with step deviation method. Standard deviation with step deviation method under continuous series. So dear students, first of all formula standard deviation is equal to under root summation f d dash x square divided by n minus summation f d dash x divided by n whole square into I. Clear beta? That's your class interval is given like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70. That's your frequency. 10, 15, 25, 25, again 25, 10, again 10, 5. Clear beta? So first of all sum of frequency n is equal to, that's your 100, 5, 5, 10, 5, 15, 5, 20, 0, 2, 2, 2, 4, 4 to 6, 2, 8, 2, 10. After that we will find out mid value. Mid value, the formula L1 plus L2 divided by 2. So that's your L1 and that's your L2 divided by 2. 10 divided by 2, 5. Distance is 10, 10. 5, 10, 15. 10, 25. 10, 35. 10, 45. 10, 55. 10, 65. Clear beta? After that, anyone assumed A and take deviation. Dx is equal to x minus a. That's 5 minus 35 is equal to minus 30. 15 minus 35 is equal to minus 20. 25 minus 35 is equal to minus 10. 35 minus 35 is equal to 0. 45 minus 35 is equal to plus 10. 55 minus 35 is equal to plus 20. 65 minus 35 is equal to plus 30. After that, we will find out d dash x. The formula dx divided by I. Interval, that's 10. So that's your minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, plus 1, plus 2 and plus 3. After that, d dash x multiply with frequency. That's your f d dash x. 10 3 is 30 minus 15 2 is 30 minus 25 1 is 25 minus 25 0 0, 10 1 is 10 plus 10 2 is 20 plus 5 3 is 15 plus. That's your summation f d dash x is equal to minus 5 3 3 6 2 8 85 and positive 5, 2 to 4. So that's your minus 40. After that we will find out f d dash x square. So f d dash again multiply with d dash x. So 33 is a 90, 32 is a 60, 25 1 is a 25, that's 0, and 10 1 is a 10, 22 is a 40, or 15 3 is a 45. That's your summation f d dash x square is equal to 5 5 10 0 1 10 6 16 17 18 19 23 or 27. Clear? After that we will apply the formula. Standard deviation is equal to under root summation f d dash x square divided by n minus summation f d dash x divided by n whole square into I. So standard deviation is equal to under root summation f d dash x square 270 divided by n 100 minus, that's your minus 40 divided by 100 whole square into I 10. So standard deviation is equal to 270 divided by 100 will be equal to 2.70 minus, that's your 40 divided by 100 and square is 0.16 into 10. So standard deviation is equal to under root, that's your 2.75 minus 0.16, 2.54 into 10. Standard deviation is equal to, that's your 1.594. That's answer. Clear beta? That's your standard deviation with the help of step deviation method. Clear? See once again. First of all, class interval frequency given. We all frequency add, that's your n. After that we will find out mid value and anyone assumed a, take deviation. After that we will find out d dash x dx divided by interval, that's your 10 10. After that d dash x multiply with frequency, that's your f d dash x summation. After that f d dash x multiply again d dash x, that's your f d dash x square, and that's your summation f d dash x square. Apply the formula and the whole value put in the formula and calculate it, that's your answer beta. Clear beta? That's your standard deviation with the help of step deviation method. Clear? I am sending some questions to you and you will solve out all the questions. If you have any doubt, then you can take doubt. Dear students, your paper will be conduct objective type. So the weightage of paper is 30 marks and the all questions put in the question paper in objective types. So you will prepare properly mean, mode, median and quartile, and you will also prepare the objective types of question, all topics. Clear beta? Thank you very much.